friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to open a mystery box from Juvia's place. They had a January mystery box on sale last month and I was able to get a hold of one of their boxes. It's right here. I think it says it was 3 of their most popular products. I have no idea what's in here, so if you want to know what it is, just keep on watching. Let's open this box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is the receipt. Okay. The first thing that I see here is glass lip gloss. Ooh, it's electric. Well, the shade is electric. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's very pretty. This is what it looks like. What I like about Juvia's packaging is that it's so cute. Like, I like this packaging so much. Gold and neon pink. It's pretty. Okay, so let's open it. Wait. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It is very pretty, and it's not as sticky, but it feels thick. So I think it's perfect for winter time, so you can keep your lips moist. Okay. It probably has like a kind of a vanilla flavor. I like it. Okay, the second item. So we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. So this lip gloss, I didn't have it. This is gonna be new to my collection. But these 2 palettes, I already have them. So let me go find the ones that I already have so we don't open these 2. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back. I only had this one. So this are Blush Volume 1. It's new to my collection. So let's open it and see what she looks like. And this is she. Let's do some swatches. Ooh. This one right here is my favorite. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I will use them more like as eyeshadows rather than blushes. It's just my, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so pretty. The name is Sina. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right, but it's very pretty. It's perfect. Okay, so I already have this one. I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna put it away so we can do a giveaway in the near future. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the one that I already own. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look. Let's do some swatches. On the other hand, this blue is very intense. Ooh, it is intense. Let's do this green. Ooh, it's intense too. So this is what they look like. And this is just some of them. I didn't swatch all of them, but so you can have an idea. I like the blue one. It's very pretty. Okay, so let's recap what I got in this Juvia's mystery box. And it was only $18. Did I already mention that? This lip gloss, it is pretty. It is very pretty. Yeah. We got the blush and we got this one. Overall, it is a great mystery box, great value. I am not mad about it, even though I already own this one. It's a good price. I get to keep the blush, and the lipstick, and the lip gloss. So what do you think about this box? I'm very happy. I'm glad that I'm gonna be adding 2 new items to my collection, and I get to save 1 item for a future giveaway, hopefully soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Comment below what do you think. Do you like any of these colors? Do you agree this is your favorite pink? This pink is so pretty, so pretty. And this blue is so pretty. Maybe not too, well, maybe, I don't know. But thank you for watching my video. I will see you soon. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye.